Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Nason. Today in writing we're going to be talking about how you can improve your writing by adding dialogue. Dialogue is how we show people talking. So when you talk back and forth with someone, you're actually having a dialogue. Now the way that we show dialogue in our writing is by adding quotation marks. A quotation mark shows that someone is talking. Now, we need to know that either before or after quotation marks, you guys should have a dialogue tag to show who is talking. Now, the dialogue tag, I've gone along and already highlighted a few for you. So we can see that someone is saying something, and then it tells us who said it, which is the dialogue tag. So here's a nice one, Marisol said. Marisol said is the dialogue tag because it's telling us who was talking. Here's another one. It's chipped though, Cassidy pointed out. We know what she was saying, and now the dialogue tag told us who said it. Cassidy pointed out. Marisol shrugged her shoulders. I like it, she said. She said tells us who's talking. Let's find one more. Here we go. Wow, look at all the shells you collected. This is where she's talking. Cassidy said to Marisol. Wow, look at all the shells you collected. Cassidy said to Marisol, that's our dialogue tag. It's telling us that Cassidy said this to her friend. Now let's look at how we can add in the quotation marks and what it looks like. Something important with quotation marks is that you need to have them at the beginning of what the person is saying and at the end. So here's our first one. Here's a nice one. We need quotation marks. There are two little lines at the top, at the beginning and at the end. So now we can see that here's where she was talking, and the dialogue tag tells us who said it. It's chipped though, Cassidy pointed out. Marisol shrugged her shoulders. I like it, she said. Now I need it at the beginning and the end. Let's continue. The girls continued to walk. Cassidy stooped down to pick up a large flat shell. I like how smooth this one is. Oh, they're talking, so I'm going to put it at the beginning. I like how smooth this one is. And at the end. She looked at it more closely and frowned. It has a crack along the bottom. I'll keep looking. Now she's talking again. It has a crack along the bottom. I'll keep looking. There's the end. So I'm going through and I'm showing you guys how I would put quotation marks at the beginning and end of what someone is saying. And you guys should be adding a dialogue tag either before or after your dialogue or your quotation marks. Reach out to your teachers if you guys have questions. Remember, you should be working this week on adding dialogue to your writing. This is a great way to add voice to your writing, which we will be talking more about tomorrow. Have a great day, you guys.